अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Go into the high plank move and tap your shoulders, and you don't have to twist. All right? अगर आपको difficulty हो रही है, you can widen your legs a little bit and then tap, 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 and tap. Go slow and controlled, and focus on the form. Always have to go slow. Push yourself, push your limits. If you want to take a break, it's okay. You can take a break. But always remember to write it down so that you remember that what is the score you made last time. And the next time when you do that, you will beat that score. I'll just show you quickly that how it has to be done. Right? So I'll show you the modifier first. So this is the modifier, and you touch down, touch your elbow down. This way you're really working on your core. Make it really intensify. Alright, let's start. Push, push, push. Count for yourself. Right. Awesome. Go slow, go slow. Go slow. Don't rush, don't rush. Awesome, awesome. Look at the form, look at this. The perfect straight line, and he's just twisting and touching his elbow down, and perfect form. इसे कहते हैं perfect form. So this is what you want to aim for, right? Keep going. So see, he's counting. Look at this. Look at the form. Look at the precision. I love this. We hold punches. All right. We hold punches के लिए तैयार. Chest up, and we go into V. Okay, and do the punches. Push, 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 push. Come on. Go slow and controlled. Come on, push. Punch it, guys. Punch it. Come on. Are you guys enjoying it? Remember, you can always take a break. You can take a break. You can take a break and still do it. Awesome. See, he is doing in a perfect form. Come on, push, 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 push. 6, 7. Awesome, awesome, awesome. He's shaking, he's shaking. All right, come on, push, push, push. Punch it, punch it. अगर आपको ये वर्कआउट सीरीज पसंद आ रही है तो कमेंट करें और अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ में शेयर करें. Till then, stay home, stay fit. See you soon.